Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I maintain my curls at night and also how I refresh my hair in the morning. This is a day 3 wash and go. So I'm going to just show you how I wrap it up and how I take it down for the next morning. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so before I shower at night, I always take my satin scarf and I pineapple my hair, making sure that none of the hairs are left out and none of them are smushed. And I usually use a satin bonnet for the front part of my hair, but I only have this weird, I think it's for dreadlocks, I don't know, but it works the same. And I just tie that on the front of my hair to keep those curls protected. And the next morning I just take my hair out from the pineapple and fluff it out using my hands, and I also go in with a wide tooth comb to fluff my roots. I don't add any product or anything to my hair. While I want to wear it down, I will if I'm going to put it up into a puff, but when I wear it down I try and, not add any product because then my hair gets frizzy, etc, etc. Then the last step is just smoothing down my edges, and that is it. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. If you did enjoy it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you leave me a comment in the comment box. I would love to chit chat with you in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you are a loyal subscriber, then thank you for tuning in again and supporting my content. I'll see you guys next time. If you have any suggestions for a video that you want to see next, make sure you let me know, and I'll see you then. Bye.